So my producer, yes, I dey feel like that all the time, no be once in a while. All right, so my people, we don't come on top of Talk. Yes, today will be Tuesday, and guess what? Today in our real life issues, we dey talk about the things where they disturb people. Whether they tell us, they make we tell you so that you yourself go chook your mouth inside. And today, make you no surprise, say now me they talk first. Yes, we know they for house. They say I see Leolobolo fi. Gets the house. And today we get to one of our boyfriends, our regular boyfriends, where they come on top of the show because today, hey, we get something where we won't make it choke mouth on top. And Maka Okudia for to go market because when you get guests, you got to feed them. Then we get Betty and Ali in the building, ever ready, ever available. They know they go anywhere the day here. Barrack still remain the same. On top of the show today, Talk. I tell you, we'll talk about the real life issues. We'll talk about our stories, our top stories where they trend. And hey, we get wear or through way. You watched the Met Gala yesterday night. What happened where people wear things where people J-Lo, Beyonce, and Rihanna. We go still talk about all this one on top of, and you get opportunity. Go on top Twitter, go on top of Facebook. Make you chook mouth on top of the things where we want to talk about. But before then, Queen B Obalu. I introduce myself because the rest, they say we'll get opportunity. May they introduce yourself now.
Now welcome to Talk. My name is Betiana Unweli. Yes.
Why you're Betiana Unweli?
When you talk about Met Gala, I remember all the clothes where I see. I don't feel wait for where to maybe we analyze all those.
Don't forget, say I did here to handle now, so just hold on first.
I beg.
Yes, follow up now, you don't miss me. I is back again. My name is Bernard Akede. The only guy where they handle all the ladies for Talk. Even the extra ones where they come. I don't handle them before they even come self. I know someone I don't miss me. Yeah, police I don't they jealous me already. Anytime I do here now, so you go to yab me. I is back again. When I don't say Talk, it's nice to be here. The show must go on. How una dey?
Bernard, you dey fine. You you know, it's my producer, say, it did nice today, so that when you come back, everything goes to sing. You know, so when you don't miss your babe, Tete, and when I come meet, sometimes, you know, they be as you leave them. Sometimes.
They don't fit send you message because nobody message them. They say it dey nice. Say as you know the road. You know say every morning our road you dey. Say today you know the road. Now how you take feel as you dey inside?
Yeah, but comfort. Well, I know
pink and pink.
You're not serious. Say I dey inside comfort. No. So before na charity I dey.
No, you dey right. You know now. You and I know.
All the same. Me dey alright. Honestly, to be on Talk show, they always sweet me for body. Anytime when I know say I don't they come, people dey with and for all the people they send me enough jollificate message for Facebook say which time I go come back.
See?
I don't dey here. Una thank you for all the message, yo. I don't want to call you names, but una thank you. Una know yourself.
Okay, we don't bring back the boyfriend where they handle everything, aka Mr. Handle.
Yes, sir.
But because today na real life issue, make I change my face small because this matter, it have come and touched me, and I think it's very important we go talk about that. But Tiana, you don't ready?
Baby, I was born ready.
All right. This one. Now, one of our viewer is say, my name na Ene and I come from Benue State. I be 22-year-old and my mom na she raised me by herself. As I dey grow up, my mom tell me say my dad don't die. When I dey grow up, I also believe, when I dey grow up, but I believe her. Okay. Last year, I meet this man where I come the dates. Some people call sugar daddy, but me, I call him my man friend. I like this one. The man don't make sure, see, I don't enter school and then they take care of me. Early this year, him say he won't meet my mama. And I tell my mom and she happy say she won't meet him. I can't carry him go our house. And my mom, before I know, my mom and the man, it be like say they don't know themselves, tete. But since then, the man no dey agree touch me again, but he dey give me money anytime where I ask him, and he dey available for me when I want see him. I don't ask my mama if that man na be my dad, but I no believe her. Wetin make I do?
I don't understand. She asked her whether I be in papa.
She dey ask her because since when she don't come introduce the man to her mom, the guy no dey agree touch her again. But anytime when she,
but you don't already touch her for past.
Before. So, but now. anytime where she wants anything, he go make sure say anytime when she say she won't see him, he dey see her, but he no dey gree touch her again. So she come say she come grow the extra strength, ask her mama, say, Mom, see, this man na my popsy, because the way she take see her mom see and the man they talk, they no talk like strangers, like people, you talk like say they know each other. So she can't dey suspect because she no know her dad. So the mom say no, but she no know whether it is truthful or I don't know.
God forbid. God forbid. Make person sleep with him pikin. Now, waiting. In fact, a lot of women, no matter waiting happen, make I first start with that one. Whether you and the man, you know, work out or anything, even if you know what made the pikin, but make the pikin know the papa, because make pikin and papa can they do swimming things together. So say you won't even marry him. Man. They say, come on, a wicked thing. But apart from that side, I go say for the girl, if your mama no agree tell you, this na man maybe say, even if eventually turn out to be your papa, you be one marry him, so you suppose get him a mumu button. You self call him, ask him, say, where you know you are my mama, where you na miss before, how far, waiting they happen, you be my papa, and you must, then shall say you ready to handle waiting go follow, because when you find out, say now your papa be that, you go flashbacks, you not gonna be man friend again. Now sugar that the last where people they call him, now you go answer him because. Hey, na person will born you, now you don't they do swimming things with. Yes, no be your fault, but the whole trauma of everything, you go fit handle them. Now, what thing you go first ask yourself. And then on the other hand, really, your mama, she not try. She not try at all. Even if things no work out between her and your papa, if the man na your papa, even if maybe she feels that the man go ruin your life, but at least you get the right to actually know, because she not be picking. Person maybe say don't want marry. She not be picking. She supposed know, okay, this not the image of the person who actually born me. Even if the man run, leave them. Even if the man say he no want do anything with them, but she get the right to know for little things. Okay, not be little thing, but for things the matter don't grow. Na small thing before, but it don't grow. For things like this, you know, suppose hide all those kind of information. She supposed know everything where they go on. But for the girl, I say, really, if your mama no answer you, why not call your papa, call the man, ask him, say, how far, waiting they happen? Why be saying, well, since when you meet my mama, you stop to they touch me? And of course, you go know when he won't lie, because na person where you don't actually spend time with.
Yeah.
So.
Oyibo go say me could not jump the gun. Me, I want to look this in from another corner. I want to look and enter.
You see that for Amaka chair now.
Now me can look at another corner. So Amaka should look this from different corner.
She's a left thinker.
Amaka, where you there? I bet do kick off for market. I know like this your corner.
She go left.
She go left. Anyway, when I don't talk, well, the truth be say, Oyibo say make we no jump the gun.
Okay.
The girl never say, say the mother never answer him whether na him papa or not. So we no just conclude on top. The way me I dey look at, if it be say the mother doesn't say this guy na correct guy, don't begin they cut your show for the guy's side. Is it possible? Is it possible? Is it possible? Where? If it be no, I don't want to come out the fact say yes, truly. If it be say, you know, if it don't be in father, but if it don't relate somehow.
Good. Now I want to make come out.
We come and say as they relate, the mother no maybe say family they touch light themselves, even they don't touch light before. So we will say what a man does not know cannot hurt him. If he be say waiting in know before, so not if do anything. But then on another hand, like Oyibo go still talk. If you also be say, as the mama can see, say this girl and this man, say, the girl don't talk before, say the man senior and well, they call her sugar daddy, but they call her man friend. Oh, name. You did, I tell you, it wasn't a nomenclature. As the nomenclature take change now, if you say the mama tell like the guy,
man,
so you come and say, okay, you know what's happen. Instead of this one, where I heard this thing when some years back, where this same thing happened, where a woman in Peking they with one man, and the man come, and the man carry the man from the woman's hand. The reason why the man thought, the woman say, instead of fetching buckets, why don't you take from the reservoir? So instead of say in there with the daughter, why you don't carry the mama we get everything go? You know that kind of thing, and you know, after all, you still they meet her needs, still they drop the money they give her, still they arrange as well. But just as Betchana been talk, if they relate, the whole world go blame the mama.
Yeah.
If the girl no know, say this person is either her father or relative. And then the man too, nothing go bad reach make man know say na pikin be this or na relative be this, make it still they continue in badness way they do. If they know, say na so e be o, make them open up, tell the girl the truth. And you, my dear sister, the matter lie for the hand of your mama and this chairman. Find out the truth from the two of them first before you go take continue anything.
All right, I hear what you wanna talk, but me they look and say maybe the mom and the guy, the man don't date before.
Now you see me they talk now.
You understand? Maybe they don't date, maybe they don't
get
relate.
something before, maybe
the man know when the woman maybe get the belly for somebody, or he know the girl papa. Maybe not like a friend, girlfriend with the mom see before.
Maybe, or maybe not the papa relative.
Or the papa relative. You can't be saying they just, I know say something there in between, because for the man to lock up, the mother not tell her. And you know say some women, they very mean. They not go tell you. They go say, you know what, instead I go tell her, make her risk not telling her, make she keep guessing. Some again, the children go say, okay, you know what, when I threaten her, say I won't kill myself, or I won't kill her, maybe she go talk. But some girls don't even get that kind of mind. The girl say she like her mother because now the woman take care of her all through. Now only person where she know be that. Now she don't come meet, she be 22, now she don't meet sugar daddy way they take care of her. Only the guy, and it ain't reasonable because the man get good thing for mind. It's okay, ma meet your mama. She tell her mama, say, okay, bring her and come out. Ma even know who they take care of you. You bring the man come house, you can see mom say, ẹ̀yin lele, ẹkújọ́ mẹ́ta o, báwo ni, lọ sí kutu wenji money,
fi kutu wenji, wetin be kutu wenji?
The mama say ẹkújọ́ mẹ́ta, the man reply ọjọ́ kan pẹ̀lú.
So, if you there out there and you think say you get anything where you go talk to take help, Ene, will be 22-year-old, we come from Benue State, we talk say, hey, the man where she dey date, will be her man friend where we they call sugar daddy, talk say the man and her mom see get waiting one thing, and now she no understand whether na her father, whether na her uncle, whether na her mama boyfriend, she no know. If you want put your mouth on top of this one, I beg go on top of Twitter at Talk Wazobia, and also on top of our Facebook. May you chook your mouth put for there, because hey, the matter they hot in the trend, because for here we don't know what we want talk, but the truth be say the truth of this matter it is between the mother and the sugar daddy.
No, the man friend.
Okay, the man friend. As Betiana.
AKA sugar daddy.
AKA nomenclature.
A 22-year-old girl, she don't tell us how old the man be, but some men get mind,
Some girls get mind. For the man, Quimby, for the man, I not go say it normal, but it acceptable in one sort.
Okay.
But girl will be 22, we carry waiting big pass some hamba. Hey.
Waiting children they do these days.
My sister.
Man, no talk the rest. All right, make we go on top of we story where they trend. Waiting they happen. Who beat who and who punish who and who they pursue who. This matter not be something where they hidden again. We would know the fight will happen for Mayweather and Pacquiao. That fight not be here.
Not be here.
The matter is strong. All right, waiting they say happen here. Say police don't report. Say Mayweather son. They don't report Mayweather son. Waiting they talk. People don't report. Say Mayweather son after the match. They don't really say the son don't go against and they beat him mama. That's the Mayweather son. They beat him mama. That's it. They beat Mayweather wife. That's Mayweather's son. They beat his own mama. Abomination. They said this one don't happen for a couple of years, and they don't jail him for domestic violence before. I said the reports, they say although it is very badly written, as reported by the police, you go see the letter plenty there. People don't write. I say it hit him, mama, but I don't know what thing go make. Anyway, like father like son, you know. Now so they talk for Nigeria. Since the father they fight for ring, he no see anybody box, and but the father supposed to carry and go training. Maybe as they blow Pacquiao for eye, you know say Pacquiao thought say it is a win. The pikin go they blow him for leg, so that ain't go know say somebody been touch him. Now ain't cause him. So what you wanna think? It they hard to appreciate, but my question is say, waiting they hard to appreciate, or it they happy with the person we no do well for life.
See whether why they hard
to
appreciate person where they do well for life. Now bad belly they cause enough for our place. Now bad belly we get baby. Person they do well. Person they do well. They hard to appreciate the person. I be no exactly. You don't say once upon a time they get a time when if they go say how did they talk now? They say success has plenty fathers. Abi. And failure is a bastard. Say you don't get papa. But now you don't get success now. Success have plenty beefer, so now they talk. If they do it, because now the truth be that. That's it. They hard these days to appreciate person where they do well. Don't say they hard, but I don't know. Life don't they change one kind. You don't they do well. People will they beef you, or for no reason. Me, I don't even know. I know one. I don't know what I go talk on top of that matter. Why you go the big person where they do well? Because even not everybody be Christian, I know, but even Bible self tells make you they celebrate with people where they celebrate. Even though Mayweather beats Pacquiao, make Pacquiao they celebrate they celebrate with her.
For me, I go say first of all, concerning that Mayweather Pacquiao, pronounce the name. Pacquiao.
Me na Paca they call her.
Concerning May and Park, I can say, why don't you learn from our very, very able president? Wow. When you lose, you accept him and move on with life. So that's make trouble for them, may one over day. And then on the other hand, on why it's difficult to actually accept people. See, a lot of people, may I tell you, and I don't know, may I tell you, a lot of people want me you do well, but they don't want me you do better than them.
No,
yes. So if you they do well, and then you get past like now, maybe for instance now, I get one big endorsement from you know the toppest company, and Queen Bee can't get from the one where they follow my own. She go they happy for me, but at the same time she could say why you say better than I then carry. After all, I cook pass them, I get body pass them. Why they no carry? Sharp.
You know, can't tell me I get endorsement.
No, this is not between me and Queen.
Okay.
Okay, and then for instance, Bernard come there with the third company on the ranking. Not my own at number 1.
For your big mind.
You don't even need to reverse and adjust the honest truth.
You know?
Yes.
So some people don't go actually.
Not true.
That's just the truth with that. People want me you do well, but they don't want me you do better than them. Like Pacquiao family, where the aunties where they say na lie, say they arrange the fight, and on the other hand, Mayweather people say no, na Mayweather do well. They say Pacquiao aunties, then they say Mayweather they hug Pacquiao up and I don't watch the match, but
no, I watch the recap because I know give out my sleep for those kind of things because if the guy win or lose, they make money. So why me go can't decide to pay for my cable or I pay for a whole month when they even increase money on top? That one never do. I can't still burn fuel. They watch you when Nigeria they find fuel scarcity there everywhere. They watch you make money. Then I can't they argue over the matter.
You're not a good fan. If you are a fan,
excuse me.
You should be a fan. But before we continue, I open my phone this morning. I see on top Facebook my sister-in-law put for now for a DP. Then she speak for Yoruba said, my Yoruba no pure, I go talk for PJ. He say, Mayweather take 12 minutes, beat Pacquiao, make $120 million. You, girl, you don't spend 6 years with your boyfriend, they beat you every day, 10 couple you no make. Nothing can twice. So go find who you go beat, where they collect money. Say you the year so, aha.
Just go stand for bus stop.
Make we see Abu.
Start to the punch area boys.
Oh, you're not done. You punch area boy.
No, see,
they go punch your destiny.
Ma tell you, with this fight now, boys don't call no the word of blow.
I tell you.
Now, ma say they take talk. Woman share less. Ma wotimba mo fe waste the blow me.
I tell you. You know how much dollar be?
Use that blow to hit person. Again, one boy those days when they grow up for Kaduna, if he blow you with left hand, there's you know get the person must faint. If you use in left hand, so they're going to say, use right.
You know,
because if you don't do like this, he blow you. Hospital go balejo that day. All right, we'll move to his second story. But before then, I'll tell you our second story. The headline we'll hear be say, they say, I went into robbery to pursue my football career.
Okay. So Baba say when you thief, you blow. Once you thief. Now football ain't go thief.
He want they play football, he want be like them Mikel Obi, them what be the Bini other guy in the half cast?
Osaze Adenwinge
and all those ones, Yama and them. He want be like them. He want be like them. So but he no get means to go follow this one. So that's why he go rob. When we come back, we go talk the matter.
Whether Mikel and Osaze they
understand
before they begin
playing. It no be like that. We dey go for small shikini break. When we come back, we go talk about this story. We dey come back.